Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you've been watching me from. If today is first time to come across this video, please guys do us a favor, kindly subscribe to O&B Family Channel also. Thank you guys, and also press the notification bell. Whenever we upload a new video, you'll be notified. And then press the like, give us a thumbs up. Just press the like button, please guys. In this video, give us a thumbs up button also, and drop your comments for the comment section box. Also, if there's any question you guys want to contribute, you can drop your comments there also. And today's video will so much appreciate everyone that is watching us in this our family channel. In this channel, we always make a video about prank, and we make video about our lifestyle also, or every activities we are doing or we are about to do in our lifestyle. We are going to show it in this our platform channel also, O&B Family Channel guys. If you want to know us better, please guys just be following us and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, the same name O&B, and we are always in chat and available in that Instagram and Facebook. If there's question, we'll also reply you guys. Thank you once again for your support. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys. Today I'm going to cook beans for my family. Also, I'm going to cook porridge beans. And sorry if there's any noise. If there is noise in this background, please guys, sorry for that. Also, we know that this channel is a family channel. Also, thank you once again. We appreciate you. And today I'm going to cook beans, porridge beans. I don't know what they used to call it in your country. I don't really know. But today, I will show you the beans. These are the beans. I'm going to show you. These are the beans, guys. These are the beans. Look at this. These are the beans. These are the beans, guys. Let me show you. You can see it for this for my hand, guys. These are the beans, guys. You see it better. Look at it. Now you saw it better. Okay, guys. These are the beans, and this is my plantain. This is my ripe plantain. And there's the yam inside. I've cut the yam. Let me show you the yam. This is the yam. I don't know your country the name they used to call it also. But this is the yam. I've cut the yam inside. It's a full yam. I've cut little inside. This is the remaining one, guys. And also, those are the yam also, guys. Now I'm going to, first of all, this is my oil. This is my oil I'm going to use. This is my grounded pepper. I'm going to use this grounded pepper for my porridge beans. And this is my non-cube, guys. These are my non-cube, guys. Also, these are my salt. Those are the things you need for your porridge beans. Those are the little things you need. But also, many people also use starfish or fish or meat. For me, I'm not going to use those ones also. I'm going to just cook it the way I am, or the way I need it, guys. The way I need it, guys. That is what I'm going to cook it for my children and for my wife also. Thank you once again. Now it's time. Let me go and watch the beans and put it in the fire. Stay tuned and watch the video to the end, guys. Guys, you can see the beans. I've put the beans on the pot. Now it's in the fire, guys. I've started cooking the beans. Guys. You can see the beans. And also, sorry to say, I've sliced my onions, but I did not show you guys for the video. Look, the beans. You can see the beans. Now I've sliced my onions inside. Make sure when you are cooking your beans, it's very important to slice onion inside. I've sliced my onions inside. Then I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you the guys. This is how onions look like. I don't know in your country what they used to call it, I don't know what you guys used to call this, but for me it's onion. I don't know whether it's almost the same name in English name also. This onion, this I've sliced my onions inside my beans. Then I'm going to wait like let me say I'm going to wait for a few times. You know that these beans always hard, is a hard beans. Before, when you are cooking beans, make sure your beans is very soft because of the children also. Then when it's soft, you will so much love it and you will like it also. Thank you and stay blessed until you watch to the end, guys, because I'm still hearing some things here also, guys. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. I love you so much. Okay, guys, I'm going to check my beans. If my bean is soft, look at my beans, very soft. Now my beans is done. Make sure if you are cooking your beans, try to test your beans. Use your hand to touch it, whether your beans is soft. My beans is soft. Then let me show you the back camera. So, guys, you can see my beans. You can see the beans now. Look, I'm pressing the beans. The beans is so soft. You can see, so soft. You can see my beans. Let me show you. You can see my beans, so soft, guys. You see. Now I'm going to put my plantain inside. As you can see, I've poured my yam and my plantain inside, my ripe plantain and my yam inside the beans. Then I'm going to put little water inside. I'm going to pour little water inside, guys. I'm going to leave it, guys. I've poured water inside. I'm going to leave it for like 4 minutes to 3 minutes. After my yam is soft and my plantain, then I'm going to put the ingredients like the salt and the maggi and the grounded pepper also, guys. Stay blessed and watch this video to the end. I appreciate a lot. Oh, and the family love you. I'm going to show you guys my porridge. I'm going to open it. You can see this is my yam and the plantain. You can see now it's done. Yam inside and the plantain is done and it's very soft. You see, guys, you can see them, so soft. You see. Then I'm going to put salt. This is salt. Wow. This is my nor. I'm going to use one cube of nor. 1 cube of nor. That's what I'm going to show you. That's what I'm going to use. This only one. I'm going to use one inside, guys. I told you I'm going to use one. Here's a 1 cube. Here's a 1 cube inside. Then I'm going to break it and sprinkle it like this. You can see the way I'm doing it. Red pepper. This one grounded pepper. I'm going to use. I'm going to take little, because this pepper is from Africa. So hot. If you are doing your own, I don't know if you are Haiti pepper. If you are that person or that woman or man that is eating pepper, please just drop your comment for this video. Drop your comment for the comment section box. Then this pepper is enough, because also my children, they also eat pepper also. You can see how I'm doing it. Now I'm going to put little water inside, guys. As you can see, then I'm going to put little water because I want everything to be mixed. Yeah. After putting little water, guys, then you close it. I'm going to close it, guys. Just close it for 2 minutes before you open it. After that, I'm going to put my oil. Yeah, this is my oil, and this oil is original oil. You can see now, because we are in the winter, and my palm oil is not blocked, and also it's very matte. My oil is matte. You can see my palm oil is matte. You know that if you want to know original oil, whenever they are winter, whenever there's a cold time or winter time, guys, then you will see your oil will be blocked. Your oil will be cold. But now we are in winter, not that much winter, but you can see my oil. You see, my oil is not cold and it's matte also. You can see my oil. I'm going to shake my oil. Make sure if you are doing your own, if you want to use oil to cook, make sure you shake your oil. Make sure you shake it until it gets soft. You can see, guys. Now later I'm going to put my oil inside my porridge. You can see it, guys. So yummy. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end, guys. Yes, you can see it now. I'm going to put my oil inside. I'll shake my oil. Make sure if you are doing your, make sure you shake your oil. I'm going to put little bits. This one is okay for me. Please, if you are doing your, please don't close it. If you are cooking your porridge, after you put your oil and ingredients, do not close it. Just leave it and lower your gas. Make sure you lower your gas because it will not get burned. That is why. Now I'm going to leave it for a little bit before I will turn it, guys. Stay tuned and watch to the end. As you can see it now, I've turned my porridge beans. You can see how it look like. Because this is how I need mine. I don't know you guys. For many people, if some of the people, if they are cooking, they are all because they don't want their whole to be thick, neither, because they will make sure that there's a little water inside. Little water. For me, I don't like that. I always like it like this. I always like it when it's very thick. When it's very thick, that's what I like. That's what I like, guys. You can see. What do you think, guys, about this porridge? About this plantain, ripe plantain and yam porridge? Guys, for me, if I'm cooking, I don't like when the pot will steam from the edge like this. That's why I'm always using foam to clean it like this. I don't even like it at all. You can see now it's more beautiful like this. Now my porridge is ready. Wow, so yummy, guys. My porridge is ready. As you can see how my porridge is beautiful. My beans porridge, my ripe plantain and yam, I mix them together. You can see it right now. Then it's ready. My porridge is ready, guys. My beans porridge is ready. Stay tuned and watch to the end, guys. As you can see my porridge. My porridge is ready. I'm going to serve myself. Let me test it a little. You can see, so beautiful. Please stay tuned and watch to the end, guys. This is what I'm going to use to test. This is the one this is what I'm going to heat just to test it, how it look like, whether it's tasty or not, whether it's beautiful or not, guys. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Guys, you can see it now. I'm going to taste the food. Guys, this is my porridge. This is my porridge, my beans, yam, and the ripe plantain. But I mix my yam and ripe plantain together. That I used to cook my beans. And so the beans is soft and very nice. So I'm going to test it a little, whether it gets first or sweet, guys. So yummy, guys. Another one, please, guys, come and join me to feed. I forgot to pray. I forget to pray. Oh Lord, bless this food, acquire this food, Lord of Jesus. Those that do not have, please, God, I use this food as a contact to them and let them provide for themselves, Lord Jehovah, and bless this food and bless everyone that's going to do this food and everyone that's going to watch this video and bless them with their pots, with their pockets of money. Also bless them in Jesus' name, amen. Guys, come and join me, guys. Another one, guys. So tasty, guys. You can see so beautiful and there's not much oil. Also, you see how my porridge is very thick. You can see how it looks like, guys. This is the way I need it, guys. This is how I used to cook my porridge. And also, I just cook it for my children, and my wife also. They will like it also. Thank you, guys. What do you think about this cook? If men know how to cook, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Guys, give me a thumbs up button, guys. Just like this video and drop your comment if men know how to cook. If boys or some of the men they know how to cook, guys, drop your comment for the comment section box. If men don't know how to cook, also drop your comment. And if men know how to cook or men know how to cook more than women, drop your comment for the comment section box. I want you guys to give me a like button and drop your comment. Also support us in this family channel. Also we'll also bring many type of video in this family channel, prank, our lifestyle, and also vlog. We always vlog anything that come our way also, guys. And also this OMB family channel also. Thank you, we love you. Please see us for a new video, for our next video, please, guys. See us for our next video. Bye.